Hello viewers! In this video, we will fix an error that appears when we try to install or open any application in Windows. The error message says, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. So how do we fix this? Let's follow these simple steps. Open any web browser and search in the Google search engine for Java Runtime Environment. You will find the official website. Open that website. On the website interface, scroll down the page. Select the desired Java setup. We are using a 64-bit operating system, so we will select Windows Offline 64-bit. The download will start automatically. After downloading, go to the setup file. Right-click on the file and select Run as Administrator. Press the Yes button when prompted. On the wizard interface, click on the Install button. The installation process will begin. Once the installation is complete, it will show a success message. Now, go to the specific software or file that you want to open. Right-click on it and click on Open. You can see here, the software interface appears without any error. I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.